Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the HP Chromebook and plugging in the charger so the battery doesn't interrupt setup. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network or use Ethernet. This allows system updates and sign in. Sign in with your Google account so settings sync and apps install automatically. Once done, accept any required system updates and set language, time zone, and keyboard layout. Make sure to enable recovery options and enable OS updates so your device stays secure and performs as expected. Next, you configure core settings to match how you work. Open settings and fine-tune Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display brightness, and touchpad sensitivity so input feels natural. Install essential apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store. Enable Linux Beta only if you need desktop utilities. Adjust power settings and keyboard shortcuts to balance battery life and productivity, and enable Smart Lock or fingerprint login if your HP model supports it. This prevents friction and tailors the Chromebook to real tasks you do. Finally, organize files and secure your data so you can work offline and recover if needed. Use the Files app to mount external drives and pin frequent folders to quick access. Turn on Google Drive Sync and enable offline access for critical documents. That keeps backups and version history. Do a final pass. Update Chrome OS, reboot and test audio, camera, and Bluetooth. If something breaks, try disabling extensions, run a power wash, or create a USB recovery stick to restore the OS quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.